You do not have to summer perfectly. Hi friends, it's Melissa Butcher. Welcome to Tip Tuesday. I'm a certified holistic nutritionist and integrative nutrition health coach. As we come to the end of July, I want to give you a gentle reminder. Summer doesn't have to be perfect. Meals don't have to be perfect. We don't have to keep the same routine. We don't have to say no to every treat. We don't have to feel guilty about things, so that will allow us time to be relaxed. Summer can be a fun season, but we also don't have to throw everything off. I know with summer comes later nights, more travel, kids are home, we're going on vacations, cabins, schedules are different, more snacks, less structure. And sometimes when the routine feels off, we feel as though we have failed. But wellness is not all or nothing. It's not either I'm doing everything right or I might as well give up, right? Most of the times it's the small things that help us feel better. Think about these things. A protein-rich breakfast, a big glass of water before your coffee, a simple dinner instead of fast food, a walk after dinner, a few cleaner swaps to pack for your weekend getaway, an earlier bedtime if your body needs it, choosing protein with your snack so that you're actually satisfied. So these little choices are going to matter, not because they're perfect, because they are supportive. So if July has been a little bit messy, full, fun, inconsistent, or all over the place, you're not behind. You're human, that's all. So instead of trying to overhaul everything, just ask yourself, what is one small thing I can do today to support my body? Maybe it's making a smoothie. Maybe it's drinking more water. Maybe it's going outside for 10 minutes. Maybe it's making a simple snack plate for dinner. Maybe it's going to bed instead of scrolling, or reading a book instead of scrolling. Pick one of those things. And that's going to be enough for today, right? Not completely overhauling, but just picking one thing and starting small. And then tomorrow, you can pick another thing. And that is how we build a healthier life. Not by doing everything perfectly all at once, but by coming back to the simple things that help us to feel good little by little and taking those baby steps. So pick one supportive thing that you can do for your body today, not 10 things, not a full reset, just one thing, one at a time. I hope you find that helpful. And if you have a friend or a loved one that would also find this helpful, be sure to share this with them. Also be sure to like and subscribe my page if you want more health and wellness information. And I will also put a link to my private Facebook group in the description so you can join me for just general wellness tips and health and wellness information and swaps. Until next time, to you and your family's health, take care.